Welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well and are trying to become active listeners. In our previous lecture, we explained how active listening can improve your personality in the workplace. In this lecture, we are going to discuss something more complicated, and that is hardly paid attention to. By the way, how many of you have heard the phrase, "Customer is always right"? Well, we are always right, but today we will discuss customer care and service through the lens of active listening. Stick around because, in this lecture, you will learn the importance of active listening in customer service and its benefits. Let's begin this. Importance of active listening in customer service. We all want to be heard, listened to, and valued. In this regard, active listening is a genie in the bottle. Some of us are sellers, and many are customers. Speaking of customers, it is worth noting that they also need equal attention as we do in our conversations. Consider the fact that 60% of customers in the USA think that companies have dealt with them in an empathetic manner. Thanks to active listening, it ensures that customers' needs are fulfilled in true letter and spirit. For example, active listening assures the customer that he is being heard. His words are not in a void. As a result, this gives precedence to trust and connection building. Active listening also increases customer satisfaction. When customers are treated with sincerity and selfless help, the business steers toward success. And guess what? Active listening ensures the customer satisfaction and minimizes miscommunication. Economists argue that the supply and demand of any given good or service is solely dependent on the agent's behavior with the customer. If an agent is an active listener and knows the nitty-gritty of communication and active listening, chances are customers will be satisfied and emotionally connected with the agent. Active listening in customer service. Here are 5 steps that can help you ensure active listening in customer service. Show engaging nonverbal cues. You can tell a lot about a person by examining his body language. Similarly, the customer you are dealing with may be an active listener and judges your attention by your nonverbal cues. So, the deal is to engage nonverbally but in an attentive body tone. For example, maintaining thorough but continual eye contact may assure the customer that you are really interested in resolving his queries. Attention to detail. Well, resolving the queries of customers is supposed to be the foremost priority of the agent. That's why it is important to pay as much attention to their concerns as possible. Doing this will enhance your and your company's credibility and project you as an active listener. Show gratitude and respect. To ensure active listening in your dealings, you must show your gratitude and respect to the customer. If you are an agent providing e-commerce services, you should demonstrate your utmost respect to the customer buying your product. Listen to customers' demands and meet them at your earliest convenience. In conclusion, like other walks of life, active listening is equally important in customer service. Given its importance, active listening helps in building an emotional connection with the customer, resulting in trust building. Nevertheless, we have briefly analyzed the strategies to ensure active listening in customer service, including avoiding interruption and showing gratitude to the customer. That was all about active listening and its relevant subject matter. See you in our next course.